Today, we have probably all heard of what drip email marketing is. Drip marketing is creating emails that can go out through multiple workflows automatically on a schedule you choose. These automated messages are intended to nurture your real estate leads through your sales process, whether it be your sales funnel or a lead form, and build your trust and credibility to improve your relationship with them. Basically, using drip marketing with your email campaigns can save you a lot of time and make your life much easier, especially when you have already proven, ready to send real estate email templates to send out. By setting up your emails to go out through drip marketing, regardless of which lead segmentation strategy you use, you can decide on which emails are most relevant to which list. Some of the most effective ways to segment your email list is by buyers and sellers, hot prospects, and cold ones. And you can even separate them by previous clients or new potential prospects. Once you decide that, then you can set up automated emails for each group that will build your relationship with them to bring them closer to becoming a new customer. Welcome to Lead Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads for their marketing. And today we are going to go through some of the best emails you should include in your real estate marketing campaigns to convert more prospects into viable leads. For home buyer leads, here are some examples of how to use drip emails to market your message for your home buyer leads. These will help to show you are the expert real estate agent in the market. You can show prospects about the buying process in general and also focus on what makes this particular area the best place for them and why it stands out from the rest. The most recently listed homes for sale. Even buyers who aren't planning on purchasing homes soon will find these emails helpful. So make sure you include new listings in the emails and include a link from your email to your website. This is an easy way to get people back to your website looking at homes. When writing a drip campaign, it's best to be as timely as possible. The most current information can help you keep your leads engaged and interested in what you have to say. Realtors who are looking for new clients need to make sure that they're always on top of what's happening in the industry, especially when it comes to homes for sale. So if you have an IDX integrated website, you could create separate pages for specific search criteria that are popular in your area. And if you include the page URLs in your emails, as they go out, those pages will automatically update with the newest properties available for sale in those areas. Once you have those set, you never have to update them. They will update automatically. Now you can focus on giving more information on the page that shows the listings. You could create a video about that area and add it to that page. You could include a link on that page that could show shopping and the best areas in that neighborhood. The possibilities are endless, and you can stay up to date on any new developments in the area. And at the same time, your potential buyers will get a list of the most up-to-date properties automatically through your drip campaign you have set up. Notable real estate listings in your area. The latest properties hitting the market are a great way to get started, but you should also send drip email marketing messages that highlight unique types of homes in your area. Describe in detail what makes each home style fascinating. Distinguish the properties and explain how their distinct characteristics make them valuable to the neighborhood. This gives you the opportunity to separate yourself from other real estate agents' drip email campaigns. You can show how you are the expert in the area. You can show the qualities that make the area stand out more than others. And you don't have to limit this to one area. You could do this multiple times for each area that you find interesting. This will build your credibility as the expert, and it will build trust with your target audience that your recommendations come with experience. So just from these first two emails you have set up in your real estate drip email campaign, your dream customers are getting the most recent available properties. And ideally, you have set those up for some of the most popular areas. Also, you are using your drip campaigns to help you connect with your customers better by keeping them updated about what's going on in the real estate market in their city or neighborhood. And now you can send out drip emails with some of the most noteworthy properties in the area. When you want to get your clients' attention, you need to give them something that they can't find anywhere else. This is where your local knowledge and expertise helps you stand out from everybody else. Statistics for the housing market in recent months. Curating the most up-to-date real estate market data, including mortgage rates, home value/prices, and property sales, and sending it to your audience is a phenomenal way to keep them informed about current conditions. Not only does this information give them a clear idea of what the local market is like, but it also shows you're extremely knowledgeable about real estate in your area and stay up to date with the latest news and stats. This is likely to go a long way in developing trust with your target audience. And you can send out a market report for specific areas as well. You can include a separate market report for each of the areas you are sending out updated properties for sale in other emails. This will give your dream customers a good idea of what is available in the area now, what the market has been doing, and how all of this fits into their plans for buying their home. The easier you can make it for your potential clients to get the information they need to make an informed decision, the more likely they are going to come back to you when they are ready. Setting up your real estate drip emails with this information in one place will help them do that. The local community has many things to offer. To become a successful real estate agent, it's essential that you have deep knowledge of your local markets and an understanding of its trends. Share interesting updates about local happenings on your website and through your email campaigns so that clients stay engaged. An example could be you can include an events calendar on your website. You could go to your local government's website and share details about upcoming events in the areas. Search local market blogs to find out what food and lifestyle trends are popular in the area. Share information about restaurants or retail stores where you frequently shop. You could create these pages on your website and include a link to these pages on the updated properties pages they are already getting from you. This way, when they see the latest properties, they can also get more information about the area as well. To sum up, the more you can learn about what is happening in your local market, list your favorite parts of your areas, and share those with your target audience, the more you will create interest in your areas with your potential buyers. When you set up your real estate drip emails to go out with the latest listings, the homes in your areas will sell themselves. Your potential customers know what they are looking for in the home they want to buy. So the separator that will get them coming back to you is the information you can provide that is not public knowledge. The more they can feel like they know the area, the more enticed they will feel to buy. And it's your expertise in the area that can help them get there. Home Buying Guide, a comprehensive online resource for home buyers. You should offer at least one resource on your website that helps home buyers. For example, you could write an article with tips for first-time homeowners, or you could offer a list of neighborhoods where they can get the most value. After you have added some of this information on your site, create an email to get people to that page on your website. You can highlight in the email what kinds of advice is offered and how it can greatly assist in their home buyer's search. You can show why it's crucial for them to educate themselves before entering the real estate market. And you can give them tips for how to select the best agent in that market who can help them find their dream home. You could also include a list of FAQs along with the answers to those commonly asked questions. Some good ones would be: first, what are the most common types of loans for home buyers? Second, how do those loans work? You can list out the differences between traditional loans and FHA loans. You can list out the benefits of each and the drawbacks of each. Third, what type of reports are the most important ones to have before buying their home? If your area has HOAs, you can include that as an important aspect for them to ask about the properties they are looking into buying. The good thing is you already know these questions because you get these same questions asked from your existing clients. So you can utilize this drip email to answer these for your potential clients right up front. Knowing this information will help you build trust and credibility with your target audience. And this is another way to get your dream customers back to your website. Your website is a tool full of resources. Your real estate drip email campaign can help to open up those resources for your potential clients. Proven real estate lead generation methods that work. Realtors and real estate agents must use proven lead generation methods to convert people from potential prospects into home buyers. In the process of generating leads, you need to acquire new customers for your business. But for lead generation to work, it must be done on a consistent basis. This will help to keep your pipeline full of potential clients, as well as being able to track those potential clients that eventually do become home buyers. Through setting up your real estate drip email campaigns, you can control staying in contact with your target audience for a long period of time through automated workflows. Each of these emails listed here will bring huge benefits to your potential clients as they are going through the home buying process. And because of that, these emails will help to build their trust in you as their go-to person when they are ready. In another video, we are going to talk about setting up your real estate drip emails for your potential sellers as well. Just like with home buyers, sellers are looking for their realtor they can trust, and setting up the right workflows to stay in touch with them on a consistent basis will help to do that. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. And if you want us to do this for you, you can book an appointment with us today, and one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.